Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple, small wreath that's perfect for summertime. I've already taken this grapevine wreath and I've wrapped it with mesh ribbon. So you can pick any ribbon you want, but I like how the wreath shows through the ribbon. So I'm just going to put this aside, and then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, lay it down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take my first piece of ribbon and I'm just going to fold it in half and lay this down. And this is from our spring ribbon kit. It's a really nice wired jute ribbon or burlap ribbon. And lay that down in there. Then I'm going to take this ribbon here and we're just going to fold it back and forth and make our loops. So again, I'm just going to fold it, twist it, and lay that down into my Bowdabra. And twist, and fold it again and twist and fold it back and then just bring it back. Actually, I'm just going to leave this tail going down. I'm just going to fold it and I'm just going to dovetail it while it's still in my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take my white satin. This is a really nice wired white satin. I'm just going to fold this back and forth and just fold it. So for those of you who aren't familiar with us, please subscribe to our channel, to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Facebook because we have all kinds of great projects that we put up every week on our Facebook and our YouTube channels. And then we also have our Bowdabra blog, which is bowdabra.com/blog. So as you see, what I did is I just took my mesh and I'm just going to make a little tiny, just scrunch that right in there. So it's so simple. And whoops, I need my regular Bowdabra wand. And what's so great about this is you can just scrunch everything in. And now I'm going to just take my wire. And the reason I folded it in half to begin with is now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to pull it through, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to separate my ends, bring them around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot and tie another knot. And now I'm just going to shape out my bow. So this will make a really pretty bow. And you know, it's just, I love the greens and the whites because they just scream out fun and summer. And now I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and just tie this onto the top of the wreath. So we're just going to tie a knot here. And just because somebody might want to save the bow and change out the wreath, I'm going to just tie it in a bow tie and then clip the ends here and clip this here. And then we're just going to finish shaping. And then I'm going to put this aside one more time and I'm going to grab my mini Bowdabra and I'm folding my bow wire in half and going to lay this down into the mini. And we're going to make a really pretty little flower. So the first thing I'm going to do is for the flowers, I like to use a grosgrain. So I'm just going to scrunch this in here. And it's a pretty grosgrain, but the cool thing is it's wired. So that allows my flower so that it will shape the way that I want it to. So I have my 3 leaves. And as you can see, I've already cut the points on it for my leaves. Then I'm just going to grab my a little piece of tulle. I'm just going to scrunch that down into my mini Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take my wand and just give everything a good scrunch. Then I have these 4 petals that I've already cut, and we've already curved the ends of them. So we're just going to lay these all in here, and we'll put another one in here. So it's just so simple. And also Facebook, every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern, we have a Facebook Live. So make sure that you put that on your calendar and check us out on our Bowdabra Facebook page. And then I just have these little pieces of mesh, like rhinestone mesh, that I'm just going to lay down into the top here. And then I'm going to take my mini wand and just scrunch everything down into my mini Bowdabra. Then I'm going to just take my wire, and again, the reason it's folded in half is because now I have a slip knot. And I can just pull it right through the slip knot, pull it out of the mini Bowdabra, separate the ends, bring it around to the back. And also, please don't forget to check out Bowdabra.com, because we have all kinds of really cool ribbon kits, and we're bringing in a lot more ribbon. So there'll be a really big selection of Morex ribbon on our Bowdabra website. So I'm very excited. And the ribbon's really good quality and it's very pretty. So now I'm going to just take this and then tie this onto the bottom of my wreath. And let's just turn that over here and tie it off. And again, I'm just going to tie a little bow so it stays on, but I can take it off and use it for something else at one point. So there you have this really pretty and super, super simple wreath to make. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.